Ang susunod naman pong katanungan na aking tutugunan sa linggong ito ay galing naman po kay Kit Velarde Lorenzo. Ito po ang nilalaman ng kanyang post. Dear Bishop Tagle, one of the questions that are usually raised when we have our Christian Life Program seminar from other sects is, why Catholics usually make the sign of the cross? And what is its relevance to their faith being a Catholic? Kindly elaborate what is the appropriate and right answer to this question. Likewise, it was also commonly raised about the role of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother Mary, to humanity. Kit, thank you for sending us these two questions that are very often asked. Una, about the sign of the cross. I want to say that the sign of the cross is part of a ritual performance. It is done simply by doing some action. And it is an expression of our belief that God saved us through the cross of Christ. The cross, the saving cross, which is the triumph of the love of Christ, for us is also the opening for new life for us. That's why the cross, which is a scandal and also weakness for others, for us is a source of joy, because the cross is the love of God, who went to the extent of sharing our misery and death in order to bring us to new life. Kaya yung sign of the cross ay ang ating maliit na pagkilala sa ginawa ng Diyos na pagliligtas sa atin sa pamamagitan ng krus. And to remind us of that important element from the very beginning of the church, in the early years of the church, they ritualized that through the sign of the cross. At hindi totoo na ang mga Katoliko lamang ang nagsasign of the cross. Yung mga tinatawag nating Eastern Rite churches, yung mga Oriental churches, yung mga Orthodox, nagsasign of the cross din sila. Kaya hindi totoo na mga Katoliko lang ang nagsasign of the cross. Okay? Now, second question about Our Lady. Now, many people who are outside of the Catholic fold, they don't necessarily disregard our Blessed Mother. Kasi even in the Gospels, the Blessed Mother is mentioned. Okay? Kaya lamang nakakaroon ng kaunting parang question sila dahil some say that we adore the Blessed Mother and it is only God that should be adored. At yung iba naman sinasabi na si Mary raw ginawa na nating kapantay ni Jesus as a mediator of salvation. Okay? Now for us Catholics, we give special veneration to the Blessed Mother because it was through her that the Son of God, the Word of God, became human, became flesh. And so it was through her faith, through her motherhood, through her mission, that we get in contact with the human Christ. So Mary occupied a very special role in salvation history. And we recognize that she who gave us the Son of God in human form must be a special person in our lives. Kaya nga, sabi nila, our devotion to the Blessed Mother guarantees our faith in Jesus as truly divine and truly human. Paano natin mapapanatili ang pananampalataya na si Jesus ay tunay na tao dahil meron siyang ina? Yung ina sa pananampalataya at ina na nagluwal sa Kanya.